Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying your machine actually has an NVIDIA discrete GPU and that Optimus is present. Check BIOS and device listings now. Once confirmed, download the latest official NVIDIA driver and make a Windows restore point for safety, then reboot to safe mode and run to fully remove old GPU drivers. After finishes, install the fresh NVIDIA driver with a clean install option. This removes conflicts and gives you a clean baseline before forcing the NVIDIA card. Once the NVIDIA driver is installed, open NVIDIA Control Panel and set the global preferred graphics processor to high-performance NVIDIA GPU. This tells the system which card to prefer. Next, go into Windows Settings, right arrow System, right arrow Display, right arrow Graphics Settings, and assign high performance to specific apps or executables you need accelerated. Also set Power Management mode to prefer maximum performance in Manage 3D settings. Make sure to check Task Manager's GPU engine and NVIDIA SMI to confirm the app is mapped to the NVIDIA GPU. You finish by rebooting and running a GPU-heavy app or a benchmark to confirm the NVIDIA GPU is active. Monitor with GPU-Z, Task Manager, or NVIDIA SMI. If the program still prefers the integrated Intel GPU, right-click the executable and choose Run with Graphics Processor, right arrow NVIDIA GPU, and set the preference for that app. If it still falls back, disable the Intel integrated GPU in Device Manager as a last resort, then reboot. Troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.